If you have your credit card in your hand right now, about to pay for an AI tool for your business, you need to stop. You're about to fall into a trap that costs small businesses thousands of dollars every single year. Look, the hype is everywhere. Everyone is telling you that you have to use AI, and that the only way to do it is by subscribing to one tool for copywriting, another for social media, and a third for customer service, all slowly draining your bank account. But that entire approach is wrong. The real power of AI isn't renting a dozen expensive generic tools. The real power is in building one central AI brain that understands your business, your voice, and your customers, and you can build it for next to nothing. I've used this exact system to save thousands on subscriptions and automate hours of work across my businesses. In this video, I'm giving you the complete blueprint. We'll start by exposing the AI money pit so you can avoid it. Then we'll walk you through how to build your own AI engine, and we'll finish with 3 practical automations you can set up this week. So what exactly is this AI money pit? It's the cycle of signing up for multiple specialized AI tools. You get a monthly subscription for your blog post using a tool like Jasper, another for your social media images from Midjourney, and a third to summarize your meeting notes with Otter AI. Each one chipping away at your budget for $20, $30, even $50 a month. And here's why this is a trap. First, the cost spirals out of control. Second, and this is the critical part, these tools are generic. They don't understand your unique brand voice or your company's story. The biggest problem is that you spend more time acting like a project manager, pasting the same instructions into 5 different apps, than you do thinking creatively. The result is that you feel busy, but you're not actually moving forward. I've seen businesses paying nearly $200 a month for 4 separate AI tools, but their team was still spending half their day rewriting generic blog posts just to make them sound authentic. So now that you can clearly see the trap, how do you get out of it? This is where we stop renting AI and start owning our own intelligence. It's time to build your AI engine. So what is an AI engine? It's not another subscription. It's a central private knowledge base that you own and control. Think of it like a new team member that you can train on everything about your business. Your past proposals, your best performing articles, your company values, your customer service responses, everything. We can build this using a brilliant open source tool called Flowise. And this is a complete game changer for 3 reasons. First, it's not generic. Once trained, it knows your style and can create content that is a true extension of your brand. Second, it's consistent. You train it once and it applies that knowledge everywhere, every time. And third, it saves you a fortune by replacing those expensive monthly subscriptions with one powerful tool that you control. So how do you actually build this? It's much more accessible than it sounds. Here's the 30,000-foot view. First, you set up your hosting. Instead of subscribing to a tool, you will host the Flowise software yourself. A fantastic server for this is Elas.io, where you can get your own private system running for about $12 to $20 a month. Second, you get your API key. This is the key that unlocks the whole system. Instead of a flat subscription fee, you only pay for what you actually use. You have great options here. If your business already runs on Google Workspace, an API key is included and it comes with a very generous free tier. If not, you can get a key from a provider like OpenAI. Generally, Google's API costs are cheaper, but you can find the exact pricing on their websites. And third, you feed your brain. Once you connect your API key inside Flowise, you can start training your personal AI. You'll do this by uploading key business documents like your top blog posts, your company's mission statement, and maybe even a transcript of your best sales call. And just like that, for less than the cost of a single generic subscription, you've built a personalized AI powerhouse that knows your business inside and out. Okay, so you have this powerful new AI brain that's trained on your business. But a brain is useless without hands. So how do we put it to work? Let's get into the fun part. Some practical automations you can set up this week. For example, imagine having a proposal generator. You can feed your AI engine your 5 most successful project proposals, and from then on, just type in a few bullet points about a new client. In seconds, it will draft a full proposal that follows your winning format and uses your proven language. But it's not just for sales. You can also create an urgent customer alerter by connecting the AI to your support inbox. By setting a simple rule, it can identify email with words like angry or refund and immediately forward them to your phone as a priority notification. And it can even help you grow your team. Think about creating a new employee onboarder. You can give a new assistant access to a private chatbot connected to your AI engine. Instead of asking you repetitive questions, they can ask the bot, "What's our returns policy?" or "What are the brand voice guidelines?" and get instant, accurate answers. It's like cloning yourself for training. And that's just the start. Once you have your own AI engine, the possibilities are endless, but the learning doesn't stop here. As you start applying this, I know new specific questions are going to come up. To help with that, I put a link in the description where you can directly submit any question you have. I personally read every submission to decide what to cover in future videos. So to make sure you don't miss the video that answers your question, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. And finally, if this video was helpful, giving it a like is a huge help. It tells the algorithm this was a valuable piece of content and that I should make more like it. Now that you have a system to make your business more efficient, what's next? It's all about growth. So I have 2 hand-picked playlists for you right here on the screen. If you're inspired by the low-cost model we talked about today and want more ideas for businesses you can start with zero capital, then my playlist on B2B service ideas is your next step. But if you're ready to take your business and master the art of sales, maybe even using your new AI engine to help, then this complete B2B sales playlist is where you should go next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.